Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, wash and double cleanse so the skin is debris-free. Once done, attach the proper tip and apply 0.0 ml conductive gel to each zone. This prevents irritation and improves contact. Make sure to power on the device and choose the lowest setting for the first pass, testing on your inner wrist to confirm comfort. You'll feel a gentle hum if the connection is right. If it's harsh, stop and lower intensity before proceeding. Once the device is comfortable on your wrist, move to the face and work in sections. You'll glide with slow, overlapping passes, about 3 to 5 strokes per zone, keeping the tip at a roughly 45 degrees angle to the skin for even coverage. Make sure to replenish gel so contact remains smooth and avoid the orbital bone and eyelids. If you want more intensity, increase one level at a time and limit to 2 total passes to prevent overworking the skin. You finish by removing residual gel with a damp cloth, then apply a calming serum or moisturizer. If it's daytime, make sure to add SPF. Once done, clean tips with isopropyl alcohol and store the kit dry and covered to prevent contamination. If you notice persistent redness, stinging, or pain, stop immediately. Cool the area with a clean compress, avoid active products for 24-48 hours, and retest on a small area at a lower setting before resuming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.